Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep compass tire. First, ensure you have your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. Find a safe, level spot to park your Jeep and engage the parking brake firmly. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the flat one. This prevents any unexpected movement while you work. Now, retrieve your spare tire and all necessary tools from your Jeep's cargo area. Before lifting, use the lug wrench to loosen each lug nut on the flat tire by about 1/4 of a turn. Do not remove them yet. Carefully position the jack under the vehicle's frame, close to the flat tire. Then, slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts you previously loosened. Carefully take off the flat tire and set it aside. Next, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and slide it onto the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs, ensuring the spare is seated properly. Finally, lower the vehicle until the spare tire just touches the ground. Now, with the spare tire lightly touching the ground, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once they are all tight, lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack and wheel chocks. Remember to check the spare tire's pressure as soon as possible. Also, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.